What's up guys, I am Nikhil here from TechNest. So I am using this Mi Horizon laptop as my daily drive from past 1 month. So today I am going to share my experience or sort of review in this video. So let's get started. MI India launched two variants of their Mi Horizon laptop in India, which is starting from 54,999, and this is i5 version. Now before we start the review, first take a look what we will get inside the box. So in the box you will get one laptop unit, a 65-watt charger and a user manual. Since this laptop does not have an integrated webcam, MI will ship a 720p HD camera separately. Now before we start, here is the configuration of this laptop. Now coming to form factor of this laptop. This laptop is made up of aluminum frame having matte finishing on it and very minimum branding on it. Only you can see one MI logo below the display. This matte finishing and minimal branding on it make it much cleaner than any other laptop available in the market. The overall weight of this laptop is 1.3 kg, which make it super light and easy to carry. This is a 14-inch laptop and its dimension is as similar as any other 13-inch laptop available in the market. Also MI claim that it has 91% screen to body ratio, where the screen is almost like bezel-less, having only 3 mm thick bezel. And this is the leading reason to exclude the webcam from the laptop. The hinges of this laptop is also very robust, which help you to keep the display at any angle which you want. Now coming to the display, the brightness of the display is only 250 nits, which is significantly less compared to any other laptop available in the market. If you want to use a laptop in outdoor or direct sunlight condition, then the brightness should not be less than 700 nits. Here this laptop will disappoint you. Now this display has an anti-glare coating display, which means a matte finish display, an excellent display using in highlight environment, something like office setup where light directly falls on the screen, and due to matte finishing it does not reflect the light and you will get a good viewing display. The disadvantage of having an anti-glare coating is display is not too sharp or bright or vivid as a standard laptop would be. Big issue for those who wants to buy this mainly for photo editing or gaming, because anti-glare screen saturate dark color which make a picture or a video dark compared to a standard display. Let's move down to the bottom space, which is the keyboard. This laptop has chiclet style keyboard, which is very identical to MacBook. The keys are well spaced, and if you are currently using a standard Windows laptop and wants to shift to this one, it will take some time to adjust your finger to typing, but it's only matter of time. Overall easy to type one and minimal clicky sound from it. Also the area around the keyboard is very wide, which make it comfortable to type from it. Now coming to trackpad, this is made out of plastic, extremely responsive, which behaves and looks almost like a glass trackpad. It do have multi-touch and gesture, also have left and right click as well. And this looks very similar to MacBook trackpad. Now when you flip the laptop, you will find good amount of air vent, which cover almost 70 to 80% of motherboard, help the fan to suck good amount of air directly, and it's a good place to have the vent, which helps to keep the system cooler. We also have two rubberized standoff here, which make it very stable and also lifted up from the floor. Help to keep your palm at level, which provide a standard palm position for a long duration of typing. Also allow to pass the air to the vent easily. The speakers are placed on either side of the laptop, which give you a stereo effect, but the sound quality is not so great. They are not loud enough for song, watching a movie, or if you want to play a game on it. You really need an external speaker if you are in an open area or in a large room. Now coming to battery, it really do a good job and you go through entire day without worrying about the battery life on this. and it takes only 1.5 hours to 2 hours to get charged fully. Now coming to ports, on right hand side you will get one HDMI, two USB 3.0, one Type C and the charging port. The Type C is not a Thunderbolt port, so you will not able to charge the laptop from this. You can use only this for data transfer or docking your laptop. Now coming to left side, you will find one USB 2.0 and one audio jack. Now coming to overall performance of this laptop is more suitable for college student, help them to quick access to their stuffs like creating document processing, browsing and casual gaming as well. This laptop comes with NVIDIA MX350, and if you want to buy this one for gaming purpose, then this is not going to deliver what you expect from it. In my opinion, the biggest downside of this laptop are, first I will consider the external webcam. For someone who is working from home, especially in current pandemic situation, doing lot of video conference and online meeting, this is not a good option, because every time you need this camera around you and sometime might misplaced. Also, if you venture out, this need to be with you always. Also, Windows 10 will not recognize this camera to unlock your laptop. Second is fingerprint sensor. We all know MI has one of the best fingerprint sensor available in their mobile phone. And in this price range, you will get fingerprint sensor in almost all laptop, which is missing in this laptop. The third one is eSIM or physical SIM support for internet connectivity. Since this laptop is mostly targeted to student and who loves to carry their laptop everywhere, this could have been a better feature for those people. Now the last one is the RAM. This laptop has 8 GB of RAM, but it is permanently attached in the laptop. It means you cannot extend the RAM in this laptop. So if you are thinking to buy this laptop and extend the RAM, then it is not a good option for you. Overall, I can say that this is a pretty good laptop in this price range. You will get a top-notch graphics card, good battery life, decent build quality having aluminum frame, really nice keyboard and a decent display with anti-glare coating which deliver a nice picture quality for daily uses. Now you can decide whether this laptop fits for your uses or not. So this is all about our review. If you did like the video, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the future update. I will see you in the next video. Till then, be safe.